Rocking the Monster Squad 1911. I believe, what, $12 plastic gun? Oh, there goes one more kill. Oh, there goes another one. Let's see how this works out.
What's up, everybody? This is the footage from our infection game. For those of you who don't know what infection is, you start solo. When you kill a player, they remain stationary. You can either claim them on your team, or if it's too risky, you can use them as bait to get more kills. The whole objective is to kill everybody and claim them on your team. So you'll end up with one team and you are victorious.
Let's do it. Ah! Such a stupid idea to bring in this pistol. Team Sam. Whoa! How did that not hit me?
Other way.
Well, we got behind us too. How did that not hit me? Whoa! Oh shit!
From that way.
What? Am I hearing shit?
Yeah, it's from that way.
What is wrong with me? Did you get hit again?
No, it's not the tree.
Whoa, whoa. That's from that bunker. Shit, for both sides. He didn't even feel that. I saw it hit him in the hip and he didn't even call it. This gun is so ridiculous. Oh. Oh shit. Team Sam. I'm not on your team. Yep, I am totally Sam. Take me out. Oh no. Damn it. He's hit, the little kid. I forget. This gun is so stupid. The lens is fogging up so much. Shit, I'm so foggy. Stupid gun. So stupid. So stupid. Oh god. Oh god. It's like being an astronaut. Oh, hit.
You get me?
Jamie? What? Who?
He's Jamie.
Oh, he's dead right here. Don't shoot him.
Okay, the kid's dead.
Yeah.
He's dead.
Is that Jamie right there?
Yeah.
That's not right if he's not on his own team.
No,
oh, okay, there's Jamie. Well,
they're right there, right behind that tree.
oh, I can't see shit through these goggles. see this guy. Oh, I see him. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Is that everybody? I'm gonna risk getting shot. Oh, Jamie, Team Jamie.
Move up. Team Jamie on the front.
Dude, pistol is sick. It said that you have to reload it every round, but it's freaking awesome.
Yeah, all Team Jamie.
Oh, that's freaking sweet.
Is that everybody? Oh, it's fogging up like crazy. Damn. It's real humid today. Whew. Oh, what? Uh-oh. Whoa, what's going on over there? Oh. Oh. That's gotta be Chris. I can't believe I got Jamie, or I got Sloan with this.
I saw that. I was right behind you.
I got what's his face right in the hip, and he didn't call it, and I was like, I bet you he didn't even feel it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo! What's going on
So
here?
that concludes the infection game. It really doesn't matter who wins or loses. It's more of just a run and gun, get out there and have fun. So I've got some bonus footage after this of highlights in the day. So just enjoy.
I was gonna let it do its job. Oh, there it is. Okay. Get all the BBs out of it. So many BBs.
This is a new game type I made up.
gun.
Each player on your team has a flag. Right now it's just teams of 5. You get killed, you hold up your flag. Your teammates can revive you. There is unlimited revives. If the enemy team claims your flag, you're out for good. So it's a real team-centered game.
Yeah. Holy shit, there's a fucking turkey right here. What? There's a fucking turkey right here. She's just hanging out on her eggs. Well, yeah, we'll just leave her alone. Look at the size of her. Oh, sorry, turkey. Everybody, leave the turkey alone. The turkey's sitting on her eggs. Ah! Oh, god damn it! What the hell? Oh shit. Oh shit! It missed! Oh god.
I have to apologize about the shaky footage. This is a 30mm lens on a scope cam. The pistol literally weighs nothing, so it's very hard to get some good shots. It's very shaky. If you're wondering why my buddy couldn't get me in this exchange, is because the ghillie suit I'm wearing works very well in this field. So if you want to check out his footage, you can go look at his channel, Tropical Warefare. His content is much better than mine. I'll put his link in the description.
Fuck, I'm still fogging up so bad.
Damn right.
Jamie, are you on your own team? Yes. Okay, so I think we're all same team, right? Okay.
What,
So,
Quinn?
okay, yeah, Team Jamie's. Oh, damn it! I'm trying to set this thing up. It's not working. Oh. Definitely got me.
Oh god.
Not working.
Aside.
Oh. Oh,
And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys join us for the next one.
oh, it's fucking going so fast. I'm eating my fucking mask.
Victor, did you get shot?
No, I just banged all you guys.
Oh, we got a winner.
Yeah.
Team Victor.
I was totally not even paying attention.
Amazingly fucking